Hello everyone, my name is Nguyen. Today, on behalf of my team, I will present to you our research paper titled Systematic Review of Omnichannel Retailing and Future Research Avenue. The presentation will start with an overview of the research, presenting the aim and objectives. Then, in the theoretical review section, we will discuss the research gap that outlining the reason why we're conducting this research. In the third section is the method that we use to carry out this systematic review paper. And in the fourth section, the results are discussed before concluding in the fifth section, conclusion. First of all, overview of the research. Researchers have attempted to review omnichannel literature as a whole and also apart from different perspectives. The most recent overall review of the theme was carried out by Beck and Will 2015. Therefore, the aim of this study is to capture the state of art of omnichannel retailing with two objectives. First, to identify current research trends, and second, to identify current research gaps to suggest future research direction. In terms of theoretical review, as you can see in Table 1 here, there are 16 literature review papers on omnichannel subjects. 6 among them use systematic review methods suggested by Cochrane 1987 and Murrow 1994. Among them, Beck and Will 2015 was the first and only paper evaluating the overall state of omnichannel retailing, but only 30 were included for review. Therefore, it is urgent to undertake a more recent overall review of the theme to outline current trends and research gaps and to suggest for future movement. In the third section, the method that is used in the paper is explained. The authors apply the systematic review process adapted from Nguyen and McClelland 2003 and Daniel and Chansfield 2009. The process includes 5 steps: framing question for review, identify relevant works, assessing the quality of the study, interpreting the findings, and finally summarizing the evidence. And you can see in Table 2 and 3 here, 107 papers were included for the systematic review and then analyzed using NVivo 12. Let's move on to the result and the discussion of the result. First of all, the descriptive result. There are 2 figures present in this slide here. First of all, on the left-hand side, we have the frequency distribution by year figure. As you can see in Figure 1, the 3 years has the highest number of publications are 2017, 2018, and 2019. Among those years, you can see the rise in the participation of researchers from Asia region. This is supported by the second figure, frequency distribution by areas, as you can see in your right-hand side. The United States and Europe are the 2 regions that contribute greatest to omnichannel retailing, with 35 papers each, followed closely by Asia region, rising rapidly from 2016 until now. Then, when discussing the frequency distribution by method, on your left-hand side, Figure 3, One can see that quantitative method has been playing a major part of omnichannel research, followed by review and conceptual paper, mainly paper reviewing omnichannel, multi-channel, and cross-channel literature to see and analyze the difference of omnichannel retailing. Qualitative research and mixed method research clearly has not much growth in this realm. In the fourth figure, frequency distribution by ranking, IDBC ranking was chosen. As you can see here, more than half of the paper study are in A star or A ranking. Meanwhile, around 20 of them are in B or C ranking. Most of the paper in the last column that you can see here are conference paper, which cannot be ranked by ATPC ranking, but they have created high impact. In terms of research themes, using NVivo, you can see here 5 research topics that are the most popular in omnichannel research are impact of channels on performance, customer behavior, retail mix, logistic and supply chain and management strategy. To conclude, it can be seen that there is a lack of concept from customers' perspective, even though customer plays a central role in omnichannel retailing. More attention should be paid on subtopics of this theme such as channels, service usage, customer segmentation, customer relationship management such as customer service, retention, loyalty, and satisfaction. In terms of management strategy, attention has been heavily focused on the transitioning strategy. Thus, there appears a need for more research on operation management strategy or specific areas like inventory management, pricing, and human resource management. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.